Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the G4 notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the G4 notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, wireless module, hard disk drive, optical drive, keyboard, top cover, and system board. Removal: disconnect the RTC battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, gently pry the RTC battery off of the system board and remove it from the base enclosure. Replacement: place the RTC battery into position on the system board. Press down on the RTC battery to adhere it into place on the system board. Connect the RTC battery cable into its connector on the system board.